The City School Chenab campus provides me with a great learning experience. Well-equipped laboratories and well-stocked libraries are provided to refine our learning experience.
As a student who was always highly competitive and soaked in self-doubt, A-levels and its experience facility taught me optimism and it taught me patience. Not only did I become more academically active, but I also become more socially active by being elected as the deputy head prefect in my AS level. I deeply thank City School as it has been a significant part of my life for a very young age. All my credits for achievement and skills goes to it.
I've been a part of this school since last 15 years, and as being a part of the high achievers in AS and being inshallah in 8 levels too, I have nothing but immense respect for my experienced faculty and the school itself.
The City School Chenab campus. Whenever I listen to this name, a series of memories comes to my mind, from playful laughers to academic excellence. The City School Chenab campus provides a complete educational program from toddlers to A-levels. I deeply thank the school for all my achievements, from being the deputy head girl in 11th and to achieving 8 A's in a scholarship. Thank you.
The City School has provided us with state-of-the-art laboratories which are well equipped to enrich our science learning experience. I am proud to tell that I am a citizen of the City School.
The City School provides us with great academic facilities. These academic facilities are supported by dedicated and experienced teachers. That's why I am a proud citizen.